Welcome to Kennecott, the world's deepest open-pit mine. The Bingham Canyon Mine, also known as Kennecott, measures about 2.5 miles wide and 3/4 of a mile deep, making it the deepest open-pit mine in the world. The landscape is mind-blowing. The primary mineral extracted from the mine is copper. Since its establishment in 1906, it has produced an astonishing amount of it, with over 19 million tons of the metal extracted by 2021. Bingham Canyon Mine, located in Utah, played a crucial role in supplying copper during both World Wars. Its copper was used in the production of ammunition, wiring, and other essential materials. Kennecott is now a popular tourist attraction. Visitors can take guided tours to get an up-close look at the mine's operations, learn about its history, and witness the impressive scale of the mining equipment.